Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have Motospeed CK67. It's a gaming keyboard. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. Comes with this instruction manual. Okay, tells you how to change the colors on your keyboard, things like that. Okay. I wonder what this is for. We'll see. Comes with this USB-C cable. It's a braided cable with a cloth thread braiding. USB-A for your computer, and then the USB-C part for your keyboard. Okay, let's pull it out of here. So it's a chunky little fella. Okay, so the clicks are nice, and there's plenty of distance to press it. Keyboard, the spacebar feels a little clinky, but all the other buttons feel really nice and sturdy. And you can see like there's a lot of customization allowed with this keyboard. Plug it in here. Okay, let's turn off the light here and see what the keyboard looks like. Okay, so it's a beautiful keyboard. You can see by default, this is the wave pattern it gives us. There's tons of different things you can do. So you can hit the function button and go up on the brightness. This is on the brightest setting, so you can go down on the brightness. There's 5 settings. The animations that it does, or progressions, you can speed them up or you can slow them down. You can change the way the lights light up. So this is just one key and then it spreads out. There's tons of different settings. So this is just the one key itself. And this is neon lights, and you can change the lights by pressing function and pressing page up. Whatever theme you're going for, you can change it to different colors. And then there's other ways that the light colors will flow. And it's just a really beautiful keyboard. Now do notice that there are no function keys on the top. So you would hit function and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on to get to use F1 or F11. You'll use the function key and hit the Win button to lock the Windows button there. Also, if you see some buttons like insert, home, end are to be used as a function. So let's hit the caps lock key, right? So when you hit the caps lock key, it's not that bright, but on here you can see that the blue light comes on. All right, and same thing for Win lock it, right? Okay, so Win lock, the second light comes on. So the second light, which said M, it's a Win lock, actually. But you hit function escape, and that will reset it back to original. And then I can hit the caps lock, and you see when I reset it, it'll even unlock the Win. Okay, this one the solid color. So as you can see on U, I, O, and P, you see a bulb with 1, 2, 3, 4 written on them. So that means that those buttons, you can create your own pattern and record. So once you press function in that, it will start recording, and whatever pattern you had, it will record to that. And so now you don't have to like toggle through the different settings. You can press 1, 2, 3, 4, whichever setting you like, and you can also delete using function. Some combination. The manual is pretty helpful with figuring out things you can do with this keyboard. Just seeing myself play through this, it is a pretty easy setup. It's just a keyboard, you just plug it in and go. But just aesthetically, it's really nice keyboard. It's really gonna pop the desk space if you have something like this. And you can see why it's wired, right? This is too much of electricity usage for it to be something rechargeable. It's gonna die every day if it's rechargeable, and then essentially you're gonna have to plug it in every day anyways. Other than that, the keys are nice, solid, except for the space bar is a little clinky, but that's because it is a bigger key, and I think most keyboards kind of like that anyways. So yeah, I recommend this keyboard. Like I said, I bought it off of Hekka.com. I'll leave a link to it below. It's a really nice website if you want to get some niche items like gaming accessories, phones, things like that that you can easily get in the United States. Back of the keyboard, let me turn the light back on here so we can see what's going on. Okay, so Motospeed CK67. Okay, device complies with the rules and whatnot. Okay, with the light on, this is what it looks like. And you know, you can go up on the brightness, but this is the brightest setting. Of course, I have a very bright light pointing to it just to record my videos. But normally, if you're playing video games, you are not going to have a bright surrounding. This is going to distract you from your playing. Let me show you the cable. So the cable, like I said, is braided, but you can see here there's a Motospeed logo on it. It's pretty cool. Like it's like a, you know, sort of more futuristic, sharp-edged plug-in, gold-plated plug-in. So it's a very high-quality cable. The USB-C here also is gold-plated. So it's a very high-quality product. I'm happy with it. I think, again, this thing is to remove the keys. Not entirely sure why you would do that, but they included that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.